Here's a question that gets asked. What's the difference between goldenrod and goldenseal? You got all this golden going on, and it's really easy to slide your way into one herb or the other, and they're different herbs. In fact, they're entirely different plants. So let's dive in a little bit. Goldenrod is Solidago canadensis is the common one, Solidago ordora, Solidago vigoria, or Solidago gigantea. These are common varieties that you'll hear referenced. Their aerial parts are used, the flower, the leaf. It's pungent, bitter, cold. Goldenseal, entirely different plant. It is Hydrastis canadensis. So that Canada thing there too can kind of mess with people. So you have your Solidago, you're in goldenrod land. You have your Hydrastis, you're in goldenseal. And they're just two very, very different plants. Goldenseal is especially recognized for its work with the respiratory system. Goldenrod, while it can because it has anti-inflammatory properties, diuretic properties, antifungal, expectorant, it can have the respiratory, but it's really identified with the bladder, kidney infections, skin. Surprisingly, because this is a plant that is in the daisy family, my pronunciation has gone totally out the window. It's in the daisy family of plants, Asteraceae, and there's a lot of plants in that family. And often if somebody's allergic to daisies or something in that family, the odds kind of go up that they could be allergic to other plants in that family. Goldenrod's the exception, not the case. So many people who might be allergic to those groups of plants, they're going to be okay with goldenrod. There's just been an interesting variety of studies done to confirm this. And it indeed helps fight allergies. So it's great. A lot of people will take it in winter to help build their immune systems for the upcoming spring when the pollens are going to go crazy. Goldenseal, it's not this aerial part of the plant that's used. It's the root and the rhizomes. And they're bitter, astringent, and cooling. And in traditional Chinese medicine, they're known for moving blood. Right? We've got a whole different thing here going on. Goldenrod, we're talking about wind and heat. Goldenseal, we're going to be talking about moving blood, drying damp, clearing heat. So there's a few varieties for you. Goldenseal, you're going to be thinking largely respiratory system. Not always, but largely. Goldenrod, respiratory, but really also thinking into the immune system and into the bladders and kidneys. So there you go. Two entirely different plants. Don't let the golden part mess with your head. And visit our website at White Rabbit Institute of Healing to find out more about both those plants.